Beyond has always been focused on building outdoor clothing systems that are designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions in the world. We view our clothing systems as a tool set that has been optimized to keep our customers safe and comfortable during the most demanding expeditions. To continue to drive innovation in our product line, we've embarked on a global search to find the most technologically advanced fabrics and construction methods the world has to offer. After rigorous prototyping and development at our Seattle production facility, we are proud to introduce the Kyros System. The Kyros System features the technical knowledge that we've established from years of building expedition-capable clothing systems with improvements in styling, fit, and finish. We've innovated with new fabric technologies, durable and lasting DWR coatings, and improvement in ergonomic design. Kyros will help test and identify global industrial capability with the intent of bringing those technologies back to the U.S. Ultimately, the goal of Beyond is to provide the best environmentally protective clothing systems in the world.